Once you have selected a design that you wish to use and you've transferred it to your machine by one of the methods, I'm using the USB key. Here we can see now what our design is going to look like. Now we can edit our design and we have now got multiple options. So here we can change the size, so we can make our design smaller. We can also alter the location of our design within our hoop by using the arrows. We can rotate it, we can flip it. We can also change the colours that's been selected for it. We can also duplicate our design if we wish. Once you're happy on this screen, we can go to Edit End. And here now on the final screen, we can see again that we can rotate it and we can use the snowman. We can still alter the position. We can still switch colours if we wish. It gives us the size of the design, how many stitch colours it's going to use. And this shield icon here is if you want to change your design into an applique design, then simply click on the icon and it will change the design to an applique design. Once you're happy with all the features, simply click sew in. It's now going to show us all the stitch colours that's going to be used in our design. It's going to take 25 minutes. There's 7 different colours. It's going to do 11,911 stitches, and that's just giving a breakdown of the time. And if you are happy with all of those, you are ready to simply start stitching.